So, Caitlin, tell me what college you're here from.
I'm here from Eckerd College in St. Petersburg, Florida.
Okay, and you are in what year of study?
I'm a freshman.
You're a freshman?
Yeah.
Awesome. And you chose to take the photography class.
Yes, I did.
Can you tell me why?
So I'm an art student.
Okay.
And I had gotten into photography before, but I really wanted to learn how to do it as an art form and less as just like taking hobby pictures with friends. And when I read about the instructors who were teaching the course, I thought these are the perfect guys to teach me.
And how's that turned out for you?
Really well. Kent and John are awesome people. They've taught me a lot, not just about landscape photography, but about photography as an art in general. They've been very informative and very inspiring.
Wonderful. And if you could look back at your almost 3 weeks that you've spent here, can you tell me some of your favorite experiences, whether it was in class or out of class, that you've gotten here that maybe you couldn't have gotten anywhere else?
One of my favorite experiences was probably me and my friends one night. We decided to take a hike up to, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the name.
Matrimonial,
okay. Matrimonial, and watch the stars up there. We took some blankets and some towels, and we just kind of laid out and stargazed. And it was the most beautiful thing because the stars here, compared to the stars anywhere else, it's like 3 times more visible, I think. You can see the Milky Way with your naked eye. It's awesome. That was one of my favorite experiences.
I felt like last year when I was here and went out in the middle of the night because it was a new moon, it felt like a bowl.
Right?
So I'd never experienced the bowl effect of the night sky before.
Me neither.